Why are you still sending boring, basic descriptions with your Venmo payments? Look, if you're using Venmo, you're doing something social, even if the payment itself is totally mundane, like splitting rent or a takeout order. But one of the most fun, and often overlooked, aspects of the app is the note section. This is where the emoji and sticker game comes in. I want to show you exactly how I use them to make payments clear, fun, and memorable, breaking down the best options and how to use them effectively. First, let's talk clarity and utility. The main point of a Venmo note is to explain the payment. Emojis make this instantly scannable. Forget typing for your half of the rent. Try this. The house emoji is the most expensive emoji on Venmo because everyone uses it for rent. It's universally understood. For utilities, you can combine them for electric, gas, and water. A picture is worth 1,000 passive-aggressive words. For food and drink, the possibilities are endless, but you want to be specific. It's classic, but maybe you want Mexico for Mexican food or for that healthy juice cleanse. Use the specific food emoji to clarify what's being paid for when you're settling up a group dinner. My personal go-to for splitting a coffee bill is fast and polite. Now for the fun and social part. Venmo is a public feed unless you change your privacy settings, so lean into the humor. For party expenses or covering a shared ride. For things that are vaguely ridiculous, like a lost bet or a regrettable impulse purchase, it's the perfect way to add personality without writing a novel. Venmo also has its own custom animated stickers. These are triggered by certain keywords. Type pizza and a rolling, winking pizza might pop up. Type burrito and you get a cute burrito baby. These stickers are high impact and great for birthdays or gifts where you want a little more flair than a standard emoji. To find them, simply tap the emoji icon in the payment note field, or just start typing a common transaction term like food, drinks, or party. They give a payment a celebratory feel. Pro tip, don't be afraid to combine text and emoji/stickers. For example, finally, that concert ticket. The text gives context, and the emojis give a flash of energy. It keeps the note concise. The bottom line is that the stickers and emojis are there to either make the transaction immediately obvious or hilariously memorable. Ditch the boring payment note, use simple, relevant emoji combinations for clarity, and save the animated stickers for the moments that deserve a little more fanfare. With that said, thanks for watching and until next time.